I didn't ride today because 20-mile-an-hour winds in the wrong direction, right in my face. And it's I can try that for about an hour. I won't get very far, and then I'll be just done for the day. It's so hard. So even though it's hard to have patience, I want to get to Florida, start working on my tan. Anyway, I am patient because it's the smartest choice. Took the day to make sure nothing got wet because it poured. And, go through the food. It was like the mayo. It's got to go. I made some Swedish meatballs, and I didn't even cook all the meat because I just didn't like them. So I ate what I had cooked, and then I left the others in a Ziploc bag, and I think it's been a week and a half. So these kind of things that sort of get buried in your luggage, you got to get to. And, so that's what I did today. Clipped my toenails, stuff like that, and watched the wind and the sunlight play with the tent. It's just a beautiful thing. Check this out. The juniper forest down there makes the most beautiful feathery shadows. It's like a peacock's tail or something. And I'm giving the new charger a good test. And it's not doing real well in strong sunlight, but we'll see. We'll see. And I'm also remembering last night at Frisch's Big Boy, Franklin, Ohio, how much fun we all had. The grandparents and the parents, and there was a guy on a date, and his date wanted a penguin. We just have so much fun conversations. Right, I stayed a lot longer than I was supposed to. I was supposed to get out at 8, but there were people that still wanted balloons. And there was I guess it was 3 couples with a total of about 6 little kids. And it was so fun. Because when I come up to the table, I chat with the parents just a little, and then with the kids, and they're just so excited, because especially if they've seen other balloons at other tables, so they can't wait. And so as I'm blowing up the balloons, I'll chat it up with them. I'll say, all right, I think you are 4 years old, and your sister is 8 years old. And they'll say, no, I'm 3 and she's 7. I say, well, I'm not a very good guesser. Let me try again, okay? Okay. Are you married? And the little boy, no, I'm not married. I said, good, yeah, because you're too young, but I thought I'd guess. And by that time, I've got the balloon twisted up. I'll hand him a sword, and then a sword is really easy to make. It's just one balloon, blow it up all the way, and then you twist the end into a loop, and there's your sword handle. So it takes longer to tell you how to make it than it does to make it. So I always make another one, and I say, give that to whoever you want to have a sword fight with. Usually it's the dad. It's fun. I learned actually 2 new animals, a unicorn and a horse. There's only a horn difference on the unicorn. But I did that yesterday afternoon because I want to have enough, because some little girls will ask for horses or unicorns. I was stumped, and it's easy, so I got it done. That was fun. I think I made 5 last night, and 2 were for waitresses. They come back, can I get a unicorn? Yeah. And by far the most things I made, penguins. And I had a viewer request for me to do some balloon animals, and I will. I'll make you a penguin and a sword. But I won't do that right now. Today is my day of relaxation, practicing patience. I know I want to move on down the road, but this is a good stealth campsite, and I'm not ready to ride into that wind, and I needed to work on my equipment, so it's all good. It's very good. Thanks for watching. Oh, share this video because this journey we're on is kind of exciting. Well, actually, it's real exciting from my point of view, and I think a lot of people would like to join us and watch this thing unfold in its own beautiful way. Well, it's back to normal this morning, cold, and I just wanted to show you my spotless campsite. I'm rigged and ready to roll. Got a bag of garbage after I went through my stuff. All non-essentials are pitched. Alright, I'm on my way. It's cold, but that makes the bike trail all mine. And I've got a very slight tailwind, which I love. I'm gonna pedal on. This is the Little Miami River, and it is swollen from the rain. I don't know why they have these guards here. That's odd. Anyway, ahead around this tree, around this bend, I just saw a deer. And so I think he was a buck. Anyway, we're gonna go. We're gonna be real quiet. And the wind is headed this way, so he hasn't picked up my scent. Try to be quiet. He had his tail down, which means he's not alarmed. I believe it's hunting season in Ohio. Rifle season. They're not allowed to hunt near a bike trail. Keep your eyes peeled for that big boy. He'll be on the left. There he is. That's a double. Hello, dear.
600 feet, turn right onto Little Miami Scenic Trail, Ohio Bicycle Route 1.
Thank you, Valley Girl. Appreciate you. I turned off the map, the light, so I guess the audio to save the battery. So that doe is probably a buck. That's odd. It must be down there somewhere.
Turn right onto Little Miami Scenic Trail, Ohio Bicycle Route 1.
Will do, Toots. You can see we're getting along today, me and the Valley Girl. Someone says I ever gave a damn. The damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. I'm along the bike trail. See all these little white tubes? They each contain a sapling tree. And the tubes are so that the tree can grow big enough without the deer munching on their shoots and bark. See that there? And that there? Those are bunkers. Because during war times, this was an ammunition factory. I think it's Peter's Ammunition Company. It blew up in 1942. Killed 50 people. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing how lives come and go. People are reported to work here every day. There are all kinds of interesting things going on, and then now it's a ruin, and all those people are gone. So, as I've said many times, enjoy the days we got. If you're not from the eastern U.S.
You might not be familiar with the white-tailed deer. They pop up their tail like a white flag to let their buddies know, hey, there's danger. Let's see if I can find him. There he is. Watch, I'll make his tail go up. Hey! Hey, deer! Run for it! See? He's not scared of me. It's because of my peaceful disposition. Look at that one's over there browsing. Oh, that's the one. There's two of them. Anyway, we don't have mule deer here in the eastern half of the U.S. We have them out west. But here we've got the white-tailed deer. And this one's coming right back. Wish I had an apple for you. Wish I had an apple for me. Oh, he's wagging his tail at me. You're not scared of me, are you? I come in peace. Although I used to be a deer hunter. Didn't like killing. Rather just enjoy them. Come on up. Come on. You can see me. Alright, then I gotta pedal on. Come on. Come and see me. I won't hurt you. Sorry, buddy, gotta go. Sorry. In the wintertime, their coat gets like a dark gray brown. Did you hear that snort? That's another deer up behind me, and that's their alarm. And that's like their little threat. I know you're there, is what they're saying with that snort. But I don't know he's there because I don't see him. Oh, right there. Let's see if I can. Let's see. I'll snort back. Can you see? Does he have antlers? No. I scared these over here. See the white tail? Now, my zoom button cover is working well. I'm just not that good at zooming. But it's not inadvertent. Look at those tails. I love nature and wildlife. Look at, he's still there. Okay, I know you want to get to your buddies, so I'm going to get out of your way. Have a nice day. It's been nice snorting at you. That's me, not the deer. I think I'm coming into Loveland, Ohio. Not sure, but it's a warm welcome on this beautiful trail. Little Miami. Look at that. Used to be an old railroad bridge. Oh, look at this. Beautiful park. Bet you the water fountain is closed for freezing. Huh. Big old walnut. Ready to bury it. The icy rain stopped. I think it's about 3:30 or 4 o'clock. I'm not sure. I'll get through this town and I'll start scoping out a place because at 5:20 it will be twilight. I love these little towns. They're so sweet, kind. Full of tough guys. Lyle's bikes. They're close for the season. Don't pick. Oh, I smell something good cooking. Remind me to get something to eat for dinner. All I got is oatmeal. Fat tire, I love it. My first fat tire I had at a bike store in Cumberland. Come on, come on. I got the stop sign. Everybody's so nice to a bicycle. Go ahead. Go ahead. School's getting out. Look. It's city lanes or buses. Pretty little town. I think that's Christmas. Decoration. Light purple. So sweet in this world is love. That's what mine said. You have to cross these tracks at a 90-degree angle or you're tired. I'm gonna stop. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm outside of Loveland, Ohio. What a sweet town. It's like a miniature Ann Arbor with none of the stress. Everybody's so friendly. Anyway, I found this pull-off that's not posted. Nobody's all uptight. But if somebody comes up here, I don't want them to see. So I'll stash the bike back there. And I see a little level place here. Sweet. Yes. Right there. I don't know what it was they were going to do. They obviously changed their minds many years ago. And look at this. What a nice view of the valley. It has been a great day. I'm halfway to Cincinnati. I got word that the hub is the perfect place to do balloon animals. Thank you, Tom and Deidre. There are wonderful people everywhere you go helping you out. All you got to do is say, hey, where can I twist in Cincinnati where the cops won't run me off? You go to the hug, Doug. And so I shall. I'm a day away. But there's a giant storm coming, everybody's telling me. This will be a good place to wait it out if I have to, because right around the corner there's a Kroger. And next to that, a McDonald's where I can get a charge and a meal if I need one. It's just wonderful. So what I'm going to do before the daylight is gone, set my tent up right here. Leave everything, and as soon as it's dark, I'll walk over there and I'll buy something to eat for dinner. I'm down to oatmeal. Life is good.